Well, I just have seen something interesting while checking out this bridge. I noticed a structure off to the side of the bridge here. Let's go check this out. I have no idea what it is, but it looks relatively old, very dilapidated. There's not much left at all, just the structure, just the shell of it. What this used to be whatsoever. I'm sure someone local probably knows what it used to be at one time. Could have been a lodge. Woo, watch out, this. Dang, that's sharp. It could have got me in the face. I tripped too. No one been here to help me out. They just found my decayed body. That's what I get for doing this stuff sometimes alone. Two entryways. Say these were windows. Ooh, something more out here. This used to be. And it's along the river, so there could be a lot of things it's for. Like I said, been like this for a while. And someone set fire to it. Why the hell did I stop alone? So just spruce something up for everyone. Something else down the way, but it just doesn't look safe to look at. I'll leave that alone. Huh. Neat little detour right there. Did not expect to come across that. I was just about to walk away when I noticed this other section of this building. I'm starting to think it was part of it. You can see just a cooking area, picnic area, benches, all made out of stone. Old top to a record player there. For those of you who don't remember, records is what they used to put music on. They still do. You'll see them at certain stores. Still being sold. Keep in mind they're like twice the price. They used to be $12 for an album. Now they're about $30. But it's not like they're in high demand. Old sink here. They still can sound good. I'll take it this is probably one of the bathrooms, if not both of them. You got some plumbing there. Pretty neat. I wonder what it looked like back in its day. The wind's died down a lot. Starting to get really nice out. I've enjoyed this little distraction, and I hope you recommend pullover adventures to friends, share, subscribe, all that neat stuff that everyone else says. So, until next time. pull over and have a little adventure.
No. That scared me.
You almost got kicked in the face.